Hi everyone. Today I'm at Smart Laundry Shop. It's along Timo, and this is where I sometimes bring my laundry. And I've come to enjoy the convenience of having my laundry washed, dried, and folded in a record time. So today I'm going to be interviewing one of the attendants. He's also my friend, and he's called Victor. He's going to take us through the process of how he handles a first-time client. I hope you will enjoy the video. We'll also discuss a bit about the machines. I'm sure he'll tell you something about the laundry commercial machines and the whole process, from how he welcomes the client, how they do the sorting, how they disinfect, and the turnaround time for when you come to collect your clothes. So Victor, karibu sana.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi guys, how are you? My name is Victor. We are at Smart Laundry Shop. We are a laundromat. We do wash, fold, and dry, basically. That's it.
That's it. So maybe you can tell us something. You can tell us something small, like if I'm your first time customer,
yes.
Maybe you can take us through how you welcomed me when I came here for the first time, because I didn't even know that there's a laundry mat around Timol, because it's in such a hidden location, and even accessing it was not so easy at that time. It was a bit tricky, but right now everything is fine. It's so easy. You just need to check it on the map and you will find it. So take them through how you welcomed me, how you showed me how to weigh the clothes,
Okay.
yeah, how you sort them, yeah, whether there is any special thing that you do before you put them in the laundry. Maybe you can tell us also a bit about the care that you give the machines before every load.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. To begin with, it's a simple thing to do. Customer comes in, we check the laundry, whatever laundry she or he has, we weigh it, then put it to the machine. For the pricing, it's a bit different. I don't think I'll mention because it's different across other laundromats. Okay. So after weighing the clothes, we sort them from the bright colors, the whites, and the dark colors, depending on whatever the customer has brought. Then from there, we load them onto the machines. Behind me, we have 4 washers, 4 dryers. The ones on top are the dryers, the ones below are the washers. So after loading them, we can either disinfect them if maybe the customer requires that, but it's our basic standard that we disinfect all clothes. That's it. After that, we wash, then load them onto the dryer. After drying, we fold, iron, and dispatch to the customer.
Maybe you can tell us how long does it take from the time you receive the clothes to the time the customer comes to collect? On average, how long does it take to do a load of wash?
Normally, 2 to 3 hours should be okay for a load of between 0 to 15 kilos. We'll be able to do it between 2 to 3 hours, or even less, depends on how busy the shop is today.
So just to be clear, from the time I bring my load to the time I leave this place, you'll have washed it, dried it, and folded it for me.
Yeah.
Isn't that convenient? So much faster. In 3 hours flat, you can go run your errands elsewhere. If you're coming to do a pickup, you'll come and get your clothes are ready, but usually they call you when your clothes are ready. So that's why I love it so much, because it's so convenient. It has freed up my time, and I really enjoy bringing my clothes here because I always get top-notch customer care. Now, Victor, maybe you can tell them a little about the services you offer in terms of collection, because I know you come nowadays, they come to collect the clothes from my place. I don't even have to come here.
Okay, normally we have a pickup and delivery option. We do it for free for our clients, both new and daily regular clients. So basically it's just pick up, we come, weigh them as usual, take a picture for you if you want, or just send you a text message or I'll give you a call. After we are done, we do the same, we call you, then we deliver it back.
All right. Then maybe you can tell us what is the area coverage for the deliveries and the drop-offs? Is there, how far can you go as at now?
Technically, we have no limit, but it will also depend with the amount of load the customer wants to be picked. Normally, we go around, we are located at Timor Langata Road. So we go to Langata, High Rise, Mombasa Road, South Sea, South Bay, Town, Westlands, and we also have this Lunga Road, all the way to Stadium, Ivo, Jogo Road. Yeah, basically, that's our radius.
All right. Maybe you could also let us know. Let's say I'm a busy client, yeah, and I need my things urgently done. Do you have like a priority or a fast wash service that you give to customers?
Yes, we do have an express service for the customers that maybe are in a hurry, because we are also located near an airport, Wilson Airport that is. We also offer express services for customers that are maybe in a hurry or want them in time to make it elsewhere. At a cost, of course.
Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe you can give us the cost?
It varies depending on the load the customer has. It's normally not at a standard price.
All right. Yeah. So those clients who are in a hurry, you've also been taken care of. Maybe you can tell us something small about the machines, maybe how much they cost if we're interested in doing business with them.
Okay. These are LG commercial machines, stackable, washers, as you can remember. Top, we have dryers. These the two pairs on this side are 10.5 kilos each. They have a capacity of 10.5 kilos, both for the washer and for the dryer. The rest of the two, 15 kilos each. So 15 for the dryer, 15 for the washer. They cost about, for a stackable 15 kg washer and dryer, goes for about 900,000 to 1 million for one stackable. For the 10.5 kilo, it goes ranges from about 600,000 to 700,000, depending on when you buy and where you buy it. But I can also plug you. We sell them at a discounted price, of course. We do a free delivery, and we can organize installation for you.
So Victor, if me as your customer, I'm interested in buying these LG machines, is there any unique process I need to go through? Do I need to like request in advance, or do you have them readily available?
You don't need to make any reservation. You can just walk into any of our shops and order, pay, and it can be delivered to you the next working day.
And would you encourage the viewers to buy this equipment for either for their commercial businesses? Do you think it's a good business to run if one has the ability?
This is the perfect business. We are evolving from the common businesses like wines and spirits, salons, barber shops, and all that. This is the perfect business to start. Easy to manage, easy to run. You only need a few employees, and you're good to go. The setup is quite simple, takes less than 12 hours to set up all this, plus the shop setup and all that. So it's a good business with a good turnover at the end of the month. So worth it. It's worth it.
So what you're basically telling us, setting up only takes 12 hours if you already have the premises with you. All right. Now, the last question. Maybe you can tell us a little about how you not disinfect. How do you deal with stains? Are there stains which are permanent, which don't come off? Or is there any kind of special care that you give them? And if they don't come off, how do you normally handle complaints from your customers when such like incidents arise?
Okay, normally we try our best whenever we deal with customers' clothing. So we have chemicals that we use, detergents, stain removers. Once we do that, maybe once or twice, and the stain doesn't come off, we'll communicate to the customer before he or she picks up the clothes, so that when she gets home with the clothes, she doesn't complain later on. Yeah.
All right. The last one. Tell us the chemicals and the products that you use on our clothes. Let me not call them chemical. Let me call them the products. Yes, the products that you use on our clothes.
Yes.
Are they harmful to us, or they are safe?
They are not harmful at all to you, because after they are used on the clothes are rinsed and taken to the dryer. The dryer has an hygiene cycle which still disinfects the clothes. So you're safe.
And is there a particular day that you would recommend one to bring their clothes, or all days are the same? Maybe you can finish the interview by giving us your working hours, whether you work every day and the timings. Okay. And if you have a website where people can go to, or how they go about booking if they are interested in coming here.
For bookings, for now, we only run a business page on the Google Maps. If you search on Google Maps at Smart Laundry Shop, you'll find us. There is our WhatsApp number. You can call, normal call, WhatsApp call, or just text, and that's all. We open from Monday to Monday, but on Monday to Saturday we open at 9, close at 7. Sunday and public holidays 10:30 to 7 p.m.
So you're telling us you're open all public holidays?
Yeah, 24/7.
You're open 24/7?
Ideally. Actually, let us just say we work 7 days a week, 12 hours a day.
All right, there you have it. We've had the interview with Victor. I've tried to capture as many questions as I think a client would be interested in knowing. And so the rest of the video will just give you a clip of what he normally does on a day-to-day running of the business. So this is a very good clip for somebody who is interested in a laundry business. And if you're a customer who wants to get rid of fatigue of washing clothes, or all those other myriad of issues that sometimes arise, I think Smart Laundry Shop is the place to be. Bwana Victor, thank you so much for having us. So here Victor is showing us how they do the weighing of the clothes. You can see they use a heavy duty. Here he's showing us how to sort. They normally sort the darks from the lights. So they do this on a case by case. You can see he's inspecting the collar there, and he has gone to get a detergent which he's now applying onto the collar of the shirt, so that if it has any stains, they will come out easily when the shirt is put into the washer. I want you to notice that he's wearing gloves. This is for his own safety and protection from getting skin diseases. And he's explaining to me how they normally do it to ensure that the shirts are clean. So now he's separating the whites. You can see, as I had explained, he's separating the whites from the darks, and also checking to see whether there are any stains on the clothes. You can see he's also unbuttoned that shirt so that the holes, the button holes, don't become weak. So it is advisable for you, before you take your clothes to the laundry, though it's not necessary, to unbutton them so that the buttonholes are preserved, and it also makes their work easier when they are washing. Here he's doing the same, and so this is how they normally do. And here I've accelerated it because the process is the same. He's going to do the same thing that I've explained over and over again: checking, sorting, applying the stain remover on the tough places where the stains are likely not to come off just on a regular cycle, until he's done with the sorting. We can see it's quite a task to do this. This took almost 20 minutes or so for him to be able to finish this one load only. And you can see how thorough he is. He's not missing even one item, one by one. So now he's putting the clothes into the laundry, into the washer rather, for both the laundries. For the clothes that he has separated, the darks and the whites, you notice they are not washed together. And even as he's putting them in the washers, you can see he's still checking. Now he's putting in the detergents on both the washers. Then he's putting in the disinfectants for both the washers. This process was quite interesting to observe. I also learned a lot on that day. And you can see your clothes will be clean in a very short while. Now he's putting on the speed. I think he put in 1 hour at a speed of at a temperature of 60 degrees, so that all the germs could be killed. Now I want you to notice that the washer is just rolling a bit. The reason it's rolling a bit and then stopping is because the water is still trickling in. So it's measuring the water automatically. Here the clothes are already dry. Now he has put them in the dryer. They've already been washed and rinsed. Now they're being put in the dryer so that they can dry. Here he put in 45 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed the video of the commercial laundry, how it's done from the beginning, from sorting to putting it in the washer to drying it and to folding it. Though I didn't show you the folding bits because it got late and I had to leave, but I hope you enjoyed the process. And if you love the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, to like it, to share it, and if you'd like to see more content on this, please comment down below and let me know exactly which area you loved the most. So as you had explained, the washers go for around 900,000 combined with the dryer, and as you saw, they're stackable. So I'm going to leave the description in the link so that you can contact them either as a customer or as a potential laundry owner, and they'll be able to give you all the details. It was quite fascinating. I was able to see even behind the machines how the connection has been done. It's quite impressive. I'll share that video on a different day. I hope you really learned something. I know I surely did. So I'll see you in the next one. And again, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment so that the video will be able to be seen by so many other people. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.